Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design and assemble a elbow engine in Solidworks. This engine we created in Solidworks, and we will see how to. This is very beautiful engine. We will create each and every part, and we will assemble at the end of this video. So keep watching. Don't go ahead. Let's start, and we will see how to assemble and sketch this engine. Now we will sketch first part of elbow engine base. Base we made with wooden. So let's start. Choose top plane, sketch. Select center rectangle and draw one rectangle from origin point. Now assign the width and length 100 mm. Vertical length also 100 mm. OK. Now select extruded boss and extrude up to 10 mm. Select OK. Now select this face and choose here hole extrude, hole wizard. Now we want to put some hole here. So first we will select legacy hole. Choose C board drill. The value we will select 3 mm, 70 mm, 5 mm, 10 mm and angle 180 degree. Choose normal. Now select position. Put two holes. Just escape. Now select center line and draw a center line from one end to another end. Now exit. Now we will make some relation. Select both the center point of hole, make horizontal. Now select this line, center line, and select this point, make coincident. Now again choose one center line and draw one midline from origin point, exit. Now we will assign one more relation. Select this center line and select both the holes point and make a relation symmetric. See here, symmetric. OK. Now you just see it is rotating. Now assign distance from one end to hole point 42 mm. OK. Now select OK. Now this is our hole. Choose perspective. Now you can see here. See this is exactly our holes. Now just go back, select back surface, choose normal. OK, this position we want. Now go select hole wizard. And now here we will select counter bore. We want to create some counter bore. Select ISO and here select socket head ISO 4762. M5. This one keep normal and blind keep up to 8 mm. Now select position. Now put 4 numbers of holes. Now escape. Now do one thing, draw a center line from top to bottom. Exit. Keep this position. Now assign some relation. Select this hole and this one, make same position. This point and this point also, reverse back. Assign relation vertical. This point and this point coincident. Now we will assign some distance from this point to this point cancel it. First assign the bigger one. From top assign 15 mm. The second one 54 mm, and the third one 79 mm, and this distance from here to here 28 mm. Okay, now make one relation. Select this point, this center line, and this point. Make this point center line. We will do one thing, just click this line and select construction, because we want this line as a construction, not real line. Now it is construction. Now select these 3 points, make a relation symmetric here. Now it is symmetric. Okay, now select the type and here show the dimension. Select 5.5 10 mm and this one keep 5 mm. Okay, and this one select through all. We want through all this hole. Okay, now select OK. Now you can see these holes are created. Just select this point. Now you can see these holes are created. This is what the location where we want this hole. Now we will make some hole in top face. Normal. Select hole wizard. Now this time we will choose standard hole, ISO drill size, and this one blind keep 8 mm. Select position. We want 4 number of holes. Escape. Now we will assign some relation. Horizontal, horizontal, vertical, vertical. Choose center line and draw one center line. Exit. Now we will assign one more relation. Select this point, center line, and this point, and we will assign relation symmetric. Okay, now just confirm it is symmetric or not. Okay, this moving. Now assign distance. .42 mm. Distance from bottom, one line 15 mm and another one keep 66.5 mm. Select OK. Select OK. Now see, these holes are created. Now you can see in line view, see the holes are exactly this top face. Choose perspective. Now right click on the edit material. Now we will assign some material. Go to wood and choose mahogany. Apply. Close. Now see, you can see these holes. Select this face, normal, choose line. See these holes, straight holes. So this is the base for elbow engine. Just save it as a desktop. Choose base, create new folder and name it elbow engine. Now save base. Now let's move for next part. I hope you enjoyed this part. Now we will sketch next part, valve port block. This block, so let's start. Choose front plane. Draw a circle from origin point and keep the diameter 41 mm. Select extruded boards, choose mid plane and keep 10 mm. OK. Now select this face, select hole wizard, select normal. Now we will choose hole, ISO and choose tabbed drill. And now here we will choose M5 and we will select through all and we will assign at the center. Escape. Select OK. Now just go back, select this back surface, hole wizard, choose normal. Now we will assign some more holes here. So choose normal hole, tabbed hole, select M5 and choose custom size. Keep blind 5 mm. This one keep 4.2 mm. OK. Select here, escape. Now assign distance between both the circles 12.5 mm. OK. Now select the center point of both the holes, make relation horizontal. Select OK. Now we want to make mirror this hole, so just select mirror, choose right plane and select this hole. Now it's going to be mirror here. OK. Now again select front plane. Now again we want to select some holes here. No, we will better select sketch. We want to draw some sketch, normal. Now select center point arc slot and we want to draw some slot. Now exit. Now select central line, connect from midpoint to origin point, exit. Now select this line, make relation vertical. Now assign radius for both inner and outer. Keep 11 mm radius, inside keep delete. Inside 5 mm. Mm. Okay, this is what we want. choose center line and connect from 1 and 2 origin point, then this point. Now exit. Now assign the angle, make 90 degree. Okay, this is the angle. Now select extruded cut. We want to cut only up to 2.5 mm inside. Okay. Now do one thing. Select this sketch. Click here show. Now select this inside surface. Hole wizard. Normal. Now we want to select hole, ISO hole, and here select drill size. Choose 2 mm and here select through all. Select position. So select this position. This hole we want 2 mm, not 0.2 mm. Okay, this 2 mm. Select OK. Now see the holes are created. Just hide this. Hide this. Now we want to mirror this, or we will make circular pattern. Choose circular pattern. Select. This is round plane, round wave path, and select this 2 mm hole and this cutout. And we want 2 numbers only, 360 degree. Okay. Now we will assign some appearance. Go to appearance, metal, and we will assign some brass finish. Select the whole material. Cast brass. Now save as valve block. Now let's go for next part. Now we will sketch horizontal cylinder, vertical cylinder. So first we will select top plane, sketch, draw a circle from origin point, keep the diameter 28 mm. Okay, now extrude it up to 24 mm and choose mid plane, 24 mm mid plane. Okay, now select this top face and hole wizard. We want to put one hole. Select hole, ISO hole, drill size, and size make 6 mm. And choose through all. Select position and put at the center. Escape. Okay. Now again choose holes wizard. Same hole we want to put it again. ISO drill size. Choose the position. Okay, select this face, select here. Now choose smart dimension and assign the distance. Keep 8 mm. Select OK. Now select center point of both the holes and make relation vertical. select OK. Now see, the holes are created. Now we want to make 3 number of these holes, so just we will mirror it. Choose circular pattern, select this hole. We want 3 number of holes, equal spacing. OK. Now this is the created. Now just assign brush finish. This is the brush finish material actually. This is the horizontal part of vertical part of cylinder. Just save it as a cylinder vertical part. Now we will create cylinder horizontal part from the same drawing. Now we will create cylinder horizontal from the previous cylinder. So just edit this cylinder, sketch, edit this sketch, make 28.5. OK. Now select extrude, choose 30 mm. OK. Now select this face, sketch, select this outer line, click convert entities, select circle and draw one circle quite bigger than this and keep diameter 30 mm. OK. Now select extruded boss. Select 12 mm and choose reverse direction. OK. Now this is the our next cylinder, horizontal cylinder. We will assign this also full polished brass. Actually it looks cast brass is better. Now this part save as cylinder horizontal. Now we will go for next part. Now we will sketch flywheel post. So let's start. Choose front plane, sketch, draw a circle just above the origin point, select center line and connect from one end to origin point. Now exit. Now let's assign the length, keep 70 mm, choose line and find here tangent point. Now exit. Now select this both the things, select tangent. Now it is tangent, there is relation. Choose smart dimension 32 mm, 6 mm and keep the diameter 35 mm. OK. Choose trim entities. OK. Select mirror. Mirror about this line. Select OK. Now select extruded boss. Choose mid plane 10 mm. OK. Now select this face, hole wizard, and we want to put straight tap, ISO tapped hole, and choose here M5 and select through all and choose position, escape, select dimension and assign position 53 mm. Okay, now select this center point and origin point, make relation vertical. Okay, select OK. Now this tapped hole created. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Now select straight point arc slot. Exit. Connect one center line from here. Select this line, make relation. Keep radius 3 mm. (11 mm). Okay. Now select extruded cut 2.5 mm inside. Okay. Now select this face, select hole wizard. Now we want to make simple hole. Select 2 mm diameter and up to length 5 mm. Select position, choose normal, escape. Now assign select this line and click relation, choose length 8 mm. Select OK, choose OK. Now see, the holes are created. Now see, now we will edit this hole. Select this face, choose normal. See, the tap hole is quite outside, so do one thing, just go here, right click and select edit sketch plane and select this face as a plane. Okay. Now select this face, normal. Now see the hole going back. Okay. Now we want to make mirror these two holes. Right plane, mirror this 2 mm hole and this cutout. Okay. Now see, it is mirror. Now select backside, hole wizard, choose normal. Now here we want to make some holes, simple holes. Drill size 2 mm, blind 5 mm. Blind length keep 55 mm. Choose position, select one hole here and one hole here. Now escape. Now select shift key this point and origin point, make relation vertical. Okay. Draw a center line. Now select this point, this line and this point, make relation symmetric. Now assign the length. Select 24 mm. OK. Now select OK. Now again choose this face, hole wizard, normal, and this time choose straight tap choose tapped hole, select M5 and blind keep 12.4 mm, keep length 10 mm, select position, one here, one opposite direction, just press escape button to escape this hole. The same procedure repeat. Select center point, origin point and center point of hole, make relation horizontal. Okay, again choose center point, center line and this point, make relation symmetric. Now assign the distance from here to outside 10 mm. Okay, select OK. Now you can see the hole. See, it is big length hole. You can see here. Now edit the material, right click, edit material, apply chrome stainless steel, apply, close. See, this is chrome stainless steel. Now save as flywheel post. Now we will create flywheel web. So let's start. Choose front plane, sketch, draw two center circles. The bigger one keep 90 mm and 25 mm. Select extruded boss. Choose 3 mm mid plane. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Select center line, draw line from one end to this end, exit. Now choose offset entity 6.35. Select this line, select reverse, select this line also. Okay. Now select circle and draw two circles, one small and one quite bigger. Okay. Now choose trim entities and trim unnecessary lines. Okay, this cutout we want. Now assign radius, bigger outer radius 40 mm and inside radius 20 mm. Okay. Now select extruded cut, choose through all. Okay. Now select fillet 4.5 mm and select all the four corners. Select OK. Now we want to make circular pattern and we want 4 number of cutout like this. Choose this inside, select 4 numbers and select here 2 parts cutout also. See, now right click, edit material and assign stainless steel, chrome stainless steel, apply, close. This is the chrome stainless steel. Now save as flywheel web. Now we will go for next part, flywheel rim. Now we will sketch next part, flywheel rim. So select front plane, sketch. Draw two circles, one small and one big. Now assign the diameter. Outer 100 mm and inner 88 mm. Select extruded boss. Keep mid plane and width keep 20 mm. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, draw a circle and keep the diameter 90 mm. Okay. Now select extruded cut up to 8 mm inside only. Okay. See, only 8 mm inside. Choose chamfer. Keep 1 mm select clear. Select this face and this face. Even you can select backside face also. Okay. Now edit material and assign chrome stainless steel. Apply. Close. See. So save as. Flywheel rim. Now move for next part. Now we will sketch elbow piston for elbow engine. So let's select top plane, sketch, draw a circle and keep the diameter 4 mm. Now exit from the plane. Now choose right plane, sketch, select normal, select a line, draw one vertical and horizontal line. Now assign the length 34.5 mm, 34.5 mm. Now keep the radius 3 mm. Select OK. Now exit from the sketch. Now we will use swift boss base command. Swift boss base command. Choose this circle. See. OK. Now just select back surface. Sketch. Draw a circle here and keep the diameter 8 mm, 6 mm. Select extruded boss. Keep 28.5 mm reverse direction. See. Okay. Now the same as for next another side. Sketch. Draw a circle and keep the diameter same 6 mm. Select extruded boss 28.5 mm reverse direction. Choose OK. Now assign fillet 1.5 mm and select inside circle. Select OK. Now right click, edit material, and we will assign material AISI 1020. Apply, close. So this is the cylinder piston. Just save as piston. Now we will create M5 shoulder screw for elbow engine. So let's start. Choose top plane, sketch, draw a circle and keep diameter 10 mm. Select extruded boss only up to 5 mm. Okay. Now select back surface, sketch, draw a circle and keep the diameter 5.5 mm. Select extruded boss only up to 0.5 mm. Okay. Again select this face, sketch, draw a one bigger circle than this and keep the diameter 6 mm. Select extruded boss. Select up to 22.5 mm. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Now select hexagon. Okay. Select this line and choose relation. Now assign distance 1.8 mm and select extruded cut up to 2.5 mm inside. Choose fillet 0.5 mm and select this outer line. Again choose fillet, select this inside surface. Okay. Now select front plane, sketch, normal. Now we will create some ordinary threads. It is not real thread but it looks like real thread. Select a line, exit from the line. Now we will assign some length. .5 mm, 0.2 mm. One mm. Okay. Select this line and this line, make relation equal. Now assign angle 60 degree. Select OK. Now choose revolve boss base. Select this line as a axis. Choose OK. Now select linear pattern. Or first select axis. Select this cylindrical body and this axis is going to create. Choose OK. Now choose linear pattern. Select this revolve body. Select distance 1.2 mm and 9 number of threads we want. Now hide this plane, this axis. Now again choose front plane, sketch, normal. Now we want to just cut it some portion of this. Select corner rectangle and draw from one end to another end. Select this line, and this line make relation collinear, and assign the length 10 mm. Now again choose corner rectangle, exit. Now we want to extrude this line, this portion, and here choose this portion. Choose mid plane and select through all. Okay. Now see. Now assign material, edit material, ASI 1020, apply, close. Now this is our shoulder bolt. Save as. M5 solder screw. Okay. Now we will see our assembly, how to do the assembly in Solidworks. Now we will make one sub assembly for elbow engine. So let's start assembly. Browse the part and first browse wheel rim. Okay. Now again browse flywheel web. Okay. Now assign the relation. Select this face and select the back side. Okay. Now select this upper face and this round face. Okay. Now these are rotating inside, so we will make some relation in between. Let's say this one top plane, top plane. Select OK. OK. Now it is both will rotate together. Now insert next component, horizontal cylinder, choose mat, select this face and this face, concentric. Okay. Now select this face and this face. Okay. Now see, it is rotating. It should be rotate, but it should rotate with this. So we will assign some relation. Select right plane. See the right plane, the holes here, right plane and the right plane of, make relation parallel. Okay. Okay. Now our body is ready. So this is our sub assembly. Save as sub assembly. Now we will go for assembly. Now we are going to start the assembly of elbow engine. So let's start. Choose new assembly. Okay. Now browse the part. First select base, open, okay, keep plain white and perspective. Now right click this body and select float. Now we will assign some relation. First select front, keep reverse, okay. Now choose top, okay. Now select right plane, okay. That's okay. Now this is our body fixed. Now choose insert component. Now this time we will insert valve block, okay. Just rotate this block, okay. Now we will assign some relation. Choose mat, select this hole, select this hole, okay. Select this hole, okay. Select back side of block and this face, okay. Now this part is fixed, okay. Now browse next part, vertical cylinder, okay. Now select this face and this cylinder, mat, concentric, okay. Now this face, okay. Now see, it is rotating, it should be rotated, okay. Now browse the next part, screw shoulder, M5 shoulder screw, choose mat, select this and this, okay. Select this back surface and this surface, okay. Now see, it is still rotating, so select this one face and this face, okay. Now it will not rotate, okay. Now insert flywheel post, now select this hole, mat, back side of this hole, okay. Select this hole, this hole, okay. Drag it out, select back surface, this surface, okay. Now this part fixed, we will go for next part. Now we will browse next part. Now we will browse our previous assembly, select all files, sub assembly, this one we created in our before this assembly. Now choose mat, select this circle and this circle, make concentric, okay. Select this face and select this face, okay. Now it is rotating. Okay, now we will insert more parts. Now select piston. Just press Ctrl key and drag and drop. We want 3 pistons. Choose mat. Select this hole. Okay. Select this hole and this piston. Okay. Now see it is rotating. Now select second one and this piston. Okay. This hole and this hole. Okay. The third. Okay. Select OK. Select OK. Now see, we have located all the relations. Now see it is rotating. Now one more thing's balance. Shoulder screw. Choose mat. Select inside hole and this. Reverse. Okay. Select back of bolt head. Select this face. Okay. Now select inside face and this face. Parallel. Okay. So it will not move. Okay. Now see it is rotating. Now we will assign some relation. Right click, motion manager, go to study. Make it 25, okay. Drag up to 10. Choose motor. Select this face and keep RPM 100 mm. Okay. Down and calculate. Now play. See, our engine is playing. This is elbow engine. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to share and like our videos and subscribe our channel for more videos and more projects in Solidworks. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.